Hey, my name is Miss Marcel, and today I'm going to show you how to create fun and interactive lessons and activities using SmartLab. So first thing we need to do is open up Smart Notebook. Mine always takes a minute. Okay, so after it's done loading, you can click on this little character or avatar here. This is where all of the activities are in SmartLab. And you can find a variety of activities here that you can customize. And today I'm just going to show you two of my favorite activities. I'm going to walk you step by step through how to create these activities and customize them for your class and the content that you're using. So the first one that I am going to show you today is called the Game Show. This activity allows students to take turns answering multiple choice and true and false questions. First, you need to choose what type of question you want, and then you can type in your questions and answer choices. So right now I'm going to do multiple choice. I'm just going to do some math questions. Keep it simple. And then you can click Add Question to add your next question. And then you can click this bubble here to show that this is going to be the correct answer. You can change the type of question by clicking this down arrow here. So now I want to switch from multiple choice to true and false. After you add all your questions, you can click Next. Typically for the game show, you'd add a whole bunch of questions, but for the purpose of the video, I'm just going to do a few here. So then I'm going to click Next. If you notice that you made any mistakes, you can go back and edit your questions, or you can trash them. And then once you click Finish, your game will appear. It might take a second. And this game does come with music, but for the purpose of the video, I'm just gonna mute the music for right now. Okay, and it's already muted. So, you click Start, and the first team will come up to the smartboard and click anywhere on the wheel to make it spin. If it lands on a question mark, a question will appear, and the questions appear in random order, doesn't matter how you put them in at the beginning. If the team clicks on the wrong answer, the other team gets to try, but it's only worth half points. And then you can continue. And now it's the other team's turn to spin. And if they land on the ×2 or the star, they can either earn double points or a badge. So right there it says the next question is worth more points, so they spin again. And you can also click this button if you need to go back and edit the game. So the game just basically works like this, and the children really seem to enjoy it. It's a really fun game, and I think that it's great to use as a review game for content in really any academic area. This game would be appropriate. So that's the Game Show, and I'm going to show you another one. You can save this game if you want to just by going to File and then Save. Click back on this avatar. Another activity that my students really enjoy is called the rank order. So that is the other activity that I'm going to show you today. This is where students arrange items in ranked order to learn about comparison, deduction, sequencing, and arrangement. So this can be used to rank numbers from least to greatest, or you can use this to increase the difficulty by having students rank like percents or decimals or fractions as well. You can also incorporate ELA into this activity by having students put maybe words in alphabetical order, or it would also be great for a daily warm-up for like primary and special education classes to have them list maybe the days of the week, which is what I'm going to create today. So this button here also allows you to add images, which would be more appropriate for maybe like a social studies or a science lesson. But for right now, I'm just going to list the days of the week, and you can click Tab to go to the next one. If you realize that you made a mistake, you can click here and drag these little answer choices. So I would like for the game to check the answers instantly so they can get immediate feedback. And then the ranking label, let's just do first and last. But you can do greatest to least, whatever it is that you're trying to do for your lesson. And then right here, if you click next, there's a variety of themes that you can choose from basketball to rock concert to science. But for today, I'm going to use the basketball because I have a lot of athletes in my class. So then I'm going to click finish. And then the game will appear here after a few moments. And students can actually play this game on their iPads. All they need to do is go to hellosmart.com and type in the class code, or you can have students just come up to the board and take turns playing the game. And then if you want, you can also scroll down a little bit and click on this A to add in directions for the game for your students to see. So put the days of the week in order. Then I'm going to drag it over here to the middle. And I'm going to make it a little smaller so it fits. The way the game works is the students put the days of the week in order from first to last. So if they put all the, oh, I'm sorry. I'm going to click off of here. So if they put Sunday first, they'll make the basket. If they get an answer incorrect, let's say they put Tuesday next, they will miss the basket. So that's how they know they need to try again, and then they will make it. So these are really just two fun and easy interactive activities that SmartLab has to offer. There's so many more activities in SmartLab that are just as simple and easy to implement as the ones I showed you today. You can actually add in a different activity by right-clicking on the slide and clicking on Insert Blank Page, and then you can add in as many activities as you want, and you can go back and forth for the students. And just remember that they can access these activities on their iPads. So I hope you enjoyed this video and feel more comfortable incorporating interactive activities on your smartboard using SmartLab.